Hi, I'm Jen from Gorilla Glue, and today I'm going to show you how to use crystal clear Gorilla Tape. Crystal clear Gorilla Tape is an ideal solution for almost any repair. The heavy-duty utility tape is made with a specially formulated backing for extreme durability. It features Gorilla Tape strength in a weatherproof, airtight, crystal clear tape that won't yellow outdoors. The notched edge design means that it's easy to tear by hand. Crystal clear Gorilla Tape has thousands of uses, including leather seat cushions, automotive, plastic inflatables, tarps, awnings, covers, plastic repair, labeling, camping, and cracked smartphones. It can even be applied to wet surfaces. Fix, patch, seal, hold, and protect almost any surface with a crystal clear appearance for a perfect fix every time. Before you start, make sure that the surface to be taped is clean. Airtight patches are best achieved on smooth, dry surfaces with tape on both sides of the repair. The tape size should be larger than the repair area, extending beyond all edges. To help prevent fingerprints on the tape, clean your hands prior to use and try to only handle the tape on the edges. You can easily tear crystal clear Gorilla Tape to the size you need. It works best for patching in a single layer. Once you've placed the tape, rub the entire surface of the tape aggressively, especially the edges. Use a straight edge, like a credit card, to press out any fingerprints or air pockets. Surface patch will gain additional strength over time. Store crystal clear Gorilla Tape in the original packaging to prevent edge dirt and debris. Make sure to store the tape in a cool and dry location. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and project ideas.